Okay guys, so this is the tutorial video for Silent Night, and the first thing you're going to notice is that it's flute up here, but I'm going to be talking about things that are going to apply to all the instruments. So the first thing that we need to look at is our time signature. We are going to have 3 beats in each measure. So that means only ever counting to 3. So looking at this very first note, we have a dotted quarter note. That means 1.5 beats. So what that means in playing is that we need to say 2 numbers inside there, 1 and 2. And this little note here is and. Then we come to 3. So the rhythm will be like this. Ready, go. And 1 and 2 and 3. Silent night. You already kind of know the words, but here's the counting for it. And then this is our dotted half note, which is 3 beats long. 1 dash to 3. Over here, same rhythm as before. 1, 2, and 3. 1 dash 3. Okay. Up here, half note. 1, 2, 3, dotted half note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half note and quarter note, and then dotted half note. So you can see in each measure, we're only going to 3. Now, I'm going to talk about the key signature. So this was the time signature with the rhythm. And before I go on, let's practice clapping and counting it. Now, it's not that fast, so you got to make sure that you place that 8th note exactly halfway between the clicks. So I'm going to start really slow. Here's my beat. 1, clap along with me. 1 and 2 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's as far as you have to go. So pause that, rewind it, get the rhythm first. Now we're going to go instrument by instrument to look at our key signature. All right, so I pulled up all of the instruments that share the same key. So now for flute and for oboe, we have, oops, I did the wrong one. Hang on a second. Okay, so for the flute, the oboe, and the bassoon and the trombone and the baritone and the tuba, I think I said tuba, and for bells, we have 1 flat. You can tell that it's on the B line, E, G, B, D, F. That means all B's are flat. Okay. What that also means, should put little B's. B's are flat. What that also means, though, is that our E's are natural. Okay, so your first job is to go look and find all of the E's and mark them natural. So here, C, D, C, D, 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 C, D, 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 right here. This is going to be a natural. Okay, so let me go over to the oboe music now. And with the oboe music, same thing. Oh, there's an E natural. Then I go over to the, not trumpet, then I go over to the bassoon, same thing. Okay, so now bassoon, trombone, baritone, and tuba, you guys also have 1 flat. Okay, that means your E's are natural. Okay, clarinets and tenor saxes, you guys have everything natural. It makes it really easy. Saxophones, you have F sharp, and that's about it, guys. Have fun.